This is what happened to my handmade lotions after about 6 months.
Thank you for joining me today at Family Guide to Herbs Online School. I'm Carolyn Gibson, family herbalist, organic farmer, massage therapist, and I will be your instructor and guide today. As an organic farmer and herbalist, I was ecstatic to learn that they now have an all-natural preservative. It's this Leucidal PT. Had been available to the homemade market. After using it several times, I was disappointed. Okay, now this is why I quit using the Leucidal PT. Now I have no faith in the other natural preservatives because I don't know if they'll do the same thing. You can see how bad this looks. They started molding after about 6 months. Now nowhere's in the description when I bought the Leucidal PT did it tell me that it would mold. Now there are some that don't look moldy, but I don't know if they've got mold in them or not. So I'm throwing away 48 bottles of lotion that I made up. And to top it off, I made it in these expensive bottles, these airless pumps, which cost me nearly $2 a piece. Then you have your color labels, and it was really quite a loss for me.
Now I really started having problems right at the start. But since it was an all-natural preservative, I thought I could work through the problems.
I was disappointed in how quickly it thickened. Entirely too fast to use a funnel to pour into my lotion bottles. I had to change my procedure a little bit and buy one of these dessert decorators so I could force the lotion into my bottles. Now I'm going to pour this into my decorator tool. And I'm ready to put it into my lotion containers. It just goes in there, actually a lot better than what it does with a funnel.
Now problem number 2, the lotion was sticky. Now it would dry after a little bit, so I deluded myself into thinking it leaves a protective coat. But after the mold, forget it. Maybe the manufacturers have come up with new instructions, a new formula, I do not know. The other natural preservatives all need to be combined with another natural preservative. Now I'm afraid to try it or any of the other natural preservatives and have gone back to using the Optiphen. Now Optiphen is paraben and formaldehyde free, often maybe under the name of sorbic acid plus 2PF. Now I have lotions over 2 years old which I use the Optiphen that have never molded. Now if you see on Amazon Germaban and Optiphen described as natural preservatives, I would not call them natural. Check out my online school at Family Guide to Herbs. Scroll down to my Handmade Body Care class, and I will leave a link in the description bar. Thank you for joining me today. Now, if you wish to see more of these videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Leave me comments in the comments section. Now, for the last 30 years, all of our income has come off our organic farm here in East Texas. We're 100 miles from Dallas, and our little community of 400 still considers chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, and gravy a health food. And they just do not understand our lifestyle. They still laugh at what we are doing, especially since our main crop is wheatgrass, which they really have no idea what that is. We need your support by subscribing and liking our channel, and be sure and visit me at FamilyGuideToHerbs.com, your guide to natural homemade remedies. Thank you so much.